that finding a winning product is the most important part in e-commerce business and the dropshipping business as well. And once you get even one hot selling or winning product, it will change the whole story of your e-commerce business. Welcome to my channel. I'm Paul Sample. In today's video, I'm going to give you top 3 winning products that you can sell on your e-commerce or dropshipping store. These three winning products will be from health niche. So if you want to know these products, stay with me in this video. One of the winning product is this product. It's called Hair Growth Essence Oil. This treats those who have problems of hair loss. As you can see here, this is the situation before. This is after applying this oil. As you can see here, the product photos here. This also is a promising product that you can sell, and it ships directly to United States using China Post registered mail, air mail. As you can see here, there are so many orders here, more than 12,000 orders within the past few days. So if you want to, you have been thinking which product to sell on your Shopify store or e-commerce website, this also is a very good product that you can sell on your website. So let us check some of the reviews from the buyers. Those who have rated this product 5 stars are 1K. So the reviews, those who have ordered from United States, you can see here, more than 100 buyers have bought this product from the United States and other countries, as you can see. So the rating is good. As you can see, the rating of the buyers are appreciating this product, that it is solving the problem. So also, if you sell this product on your store, you will get so many customers because this product solves people's problems. And the products that solves people's problems are the winning products, because it is very important to consider that when you are running your store. So sell the products that are solving people's problems, especially health problems. As you can see here, there are so many buyers. So this is one of the winning products that you can sell. This is another product that you can sell in your dropshipping store. This also is among the winning products that you can sell on your dropshipping or e-commerce business. This product is called waist shaping pants. So as you can see, there are so many buyers from different countries who have bought this product. So these products mean that it has high demand. So this helps in shaping waist. Those who want to shape their body. There are so many people who are fighting with that problem. They want to shape their body. And if you want to verify if there is a need of this product, you can check the number of orders here and also satisfied with this product. So it means that it meets the needs of the customers. So if you want to sell also a product, if you have been thinking of the winning product, this also is among the winning products that you can sell, because it was already revealed that customers are in need. As you can see here, most who have rated 5 stars are more than 2K. So there are so many. So it means that most of the customers are satisfied with this product. So if you want to sell this product, also you can order it from AliExpress or other website. Also, the rating is good, and there are buyers from different countries who have bought this product. So if you want to sell this product also, you can get a lot of customers. product that you can sell in this one is called body shaper or slimming belt. So there are so many orders in this product. There are different sizes that you can order to meet the customer's demand. And if you want to prove that if there is a need of this product, we can check the number of orders and the rating. As you can see here, the number of orders here. More than 5,000 people have ordered these products in a few days. So, and the rating is very good. It's 4.9 out of 5. So the rating is very good, meaning that this product is delivering what it is promises. So, and we can check the reviews here from different buyers. Let us check the reviews. And 5 stars, those who have rated more than 5 stars are 1K. So there are so many. And those who have ordered from United States are more than 500. So, and even other countries, there are so many orders from this store. So if you want to sell the winning products, this also is a winning product. And the good thing about this product is that the rating is very high. It means that most of the customers that have bought these products are satisfied with the product. So if you sell this product also, we can guarantee that you can get so many sales as long as you put more effort on advertising and marketing. So most of the buyers here are satisfied with this product. For example, this one says, I ordered on July, what. So he's satisfied with the product. This one says, excellent product, purchase satisfied. So most are satisfied with this product. So if you sell this product also, you are going to explode your sales on your store. And what you need is only one winning product. You don't need to sell thousands of products in your store in order to become an e-commerce winner. You need few winning products. And the way to get winning products is to check the products that have good reviews and high number of orders. If there are good reviews and a high number of buyers or orders, to mean that most people are in need of that product. So the product is in high demand. So this order and this number of orders and this kind of rating tells us that most of the customers are satisfied with this product. And you may be asking yourself, where can I get these products? You can get these products from AliExpress. Most of the dropshippers and those who are running e-commerce websites are getting their products either on Alibaba or AliExpress. And others are getting from DHgate. But if you want cheap products with affordable prices, you can go on AliExpress. Right now, I'm on AliExpress, as you can see. This is AliExpress website.